Hi guys, how are you doing today? Like the title suggested, today we're going to be doing the unbox stream of the Stream Deck from Elgato. A Stream Deck has been something that is being everywhere on the social media these days. This particular one, I think it's been out since 2017. Probably these are the ones that came out after Corsair bought the company. But they have a bigger one, they have a smaller one. This is the one with the 15 LCD keys. I think they have the one with the 8 or 6 LCD keys also, and the bigger one that just came out this year or last year. But we're gonna be unboxing this one from Elgato. The reason why we're going to be unboxing this one is because later in another video I'm gonna be tearing it down, disassembling it to see what is inside. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of disassembling in most of my new videos because I'm just curious about what they put inside to make these things a little bit more expensive. So we want to know about why are they getting expensive. Keyboards are getting expensive, like Apple is always making stupid keyboards and they put a very high tag on it. And every keyboard now that has gaming rating on it is always like over $100 from every country. So I first did a video on it, which I had some little mistakes, so I have to redo it again. So I've already cut it up, so I'm just gonna open it for you to see. I'm here with just one camera. Let's start with the packaging. The packaging is so nice. I think this warrants some money. If you can see, the inside is really padded, that next time you're trying to sell this stuff, or maybe you're not using it and you're putting it away, it's more secure. So the packaging alone is nice and it will cost some money. And here we go into the box. We have this colored guide that is there. It's mostly just talking to you about how to connect it and how to install it and stuff like that. And here is the Stream Deck here. I'm gonna bring it out. Here it is. I put it aside, we'll talk about it. And what comes in here is also a stand, which has 4 different adjustments, which you can adjust it to whatever ways is much convenient for you. And there's another little sidekick here also, which you can use to adjust it to your eye level, seeing whatever you're trying to do, and that goes on the table. Little bit manual papers, both in different languages, is here. Not so much of a paper, so it doesn't. I believe they save a lot of paper by using this little stuff, which I really like. Not compared to Sony product where there's a lot of papers. And we got the foam padding also inside again here, as you can see. So it keeps the product well guided and well protected. Even though it falls from whatever height, it's still gonna protect your product very well. So I'm gonna put the box aside, and now back to the product himself. I like the product because of the material. I think this front is made of aluminum. I'm not going to be talking about that now until we're doing the tear down, disassembling, then we can talk about that mostly. So that is it. Just that's tiny, not so big, not so bulky and stuff like that. It's not going to take a lot of space on your table. And the normal USB type A that they use for it. Maybe soon we'll be seeing the one with USB-C, as a lot of people are moving towards USB-C. So I see the scenario whereby you can use these for other things rather than just in-gaming programs. Some people are already using it on their Switch for live broadcasting, and except you can use it for other stuff, not just only gaming. I got it because I was going to be streaming, so I wanted to use it for streaming, and I've not really gone around using it so much, so I haven't actually. I'm opening it today for the first time. I haven't opened it since. But I found out you can use these LED screens for other stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if I see some people using it on their laptop web now, because you can connect USB-C and stuff to your tablet. And I will be using it mostly for online purpose, maybe like launching some of the application I use, YouTube and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go and program into stuff like that I want to use. So basically, this is what you get out of the box. If you can see it, black. I think it's matte black, which looks very nice. And Sealing it on his dock is much convenient and much simple. It will not actually disturb or disrupt your table. It's so small and portable that it's not going to actually take too much space on your table. Such a nice product, nice design, nice compact, and I will be trying to use it in other stuff, and maybe later I can tell you what I'll be using it with and how I'm using it. If you love to see maybe videos on how to set the keys, the chrome keys, or how to do any other thing, you can leave the comment down below there. And the next video is going to be disassembling this nice little portable product, so you don't have to do it yourself, and we'll see what is inside. So guys, that is it from me, the Elgato Stream Dock. This is the 15 keys LCD or 15 LCD keys, and I'm gonna be enjoying it, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. If you have any question, don't forget to just leave it down there in the comments, and hopefully we can get to talk more. And I'm trying to see if I can read some of the comments that you people post on, your friends post on my YouTube comment section. I will be able to read some of them maybe at the end of the videos. If you'd like to see that also, let me know down in the comment below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Your subscription helps me to be able to do more of these videos and stuff like that. And I'm gonna have the link to where you can buy it on Amazon, because it's an affiliate link. Whatever you purchase, I get a commission towards it, which doesn't actually increase the price of whatever you're buying. So that is it for me today, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Odabo.